Mom, I hope John Patrick has finished packing our suitcases. We're leaving right now.
Chloe, your mother has decided to stay after all.
Yes, we've undoubtedly made our share of mistakes along the way, but then who hasn't? What matters is to fix them, right?
Oh, my queen.
Ew! This is despicable, utterly despicable. I order you both to fight again. As we grow old, we realize life doesn't always give us all the gifts we hoped it would. I would have loved to tell you all this in person, Marinette. But if you're reading this, it means I've already lost my memory. But you mustn't be scared. And you mustn't be sad. As I was telling you at the beginning of this letter, experiencing loss is a part of life. But it doesn't define it. Because what really matters isn't whether you win or lose. It's the ability to
Accept changes in ourselves. It's accepting that even if life doesn't always give us the gifts we were hoping for, the real gift is life itself. It's incredible. I've only just met you, and yet my heart is beating as if I've known you forever.
You should always trust your heart. Take this, sir, for the journey.
Thank you, young lady. I will never forget you.